Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see my Google account password in PC. You are going to open your Chrome browser. There, click on the menu and in the Passwords and Autofill line, click on Google Password Manager. You will see the saved passwords in the browser. You are going to click on the desired site to see both the username and password, which will be hidden. To view the password, click on the Show Password icon. You can click there again to hide it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic Channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.